Fever. Let's move on to 17th century Europe. In 1636 and 1637, there was the first stock exchange boom and futures contracts have become very popular. The boom was due to increased demand for tulip bulbs of valuable varieties. The excitement called the Tulip Fever drew people from all kinds of different professions to exchanges that traded tulip bulbs. After all, you could buy a stone house for some of the rare bulbs, or vice versa, you could sell a house or a farm and buy some precious bulbs with the hope that they will increase in price. Speculators started buying up bulbs that haven't even been grown yet. There was outstanding demand. And then those contracts, that's right, ended up on the stock exchange. It was a striking economic phenomenon for those times. People who didn't own tulip bulbs sold them to people who weren't going to grow them. In the end, prices collapsed. The world's first stock bubble burst. But wise entrepreneurs who dumped assets in time made good money. Many people gained capital without ever holding the bulbs in their hands. This is how the world came to a turning point in economic history, the creation of the first futures exchanges. We'll tell you all about this in the next video. Stay tuned!